Waldo, look! Money.
Bomb, no, don't touch it. This park is full of landmines.
That's stupid. There's nothing wrong here. I'll just ignore your stupid sarcasm and grab that money.
Oh, that must be Orange. He's home.
Oh, get it? Oh, hi. Come in.
Hi, can I help you with anything?
Itt van Redbeard.
Yes, he's cooking at the kitchen for Orange's party.
Ez az oka annak, hogy itt vagyok. Attól tartok, rossz hírekkel kell előállnom. Az Orange Beard autóbalesetet szenvedett tegnap este az M3-as úton.
What, is he okay?
Nagy sebességgel haladt, majd lehajtott az útról és egy dombra csapódott, közben 3-szor megpördült, majd kigyulladt. Sérülései olyan súlyosak voltak, hogy életét vesztette. Nagyon sajnálom.
Aria Mofflin?
What the hell do you want?
Time's up, fool.
Excuse me. I want your full attention, please. I'm Pennybird Red's wife. I just want to know what's going on.
You stop right there.
McLaren, please. Put the gun down. I just don't want anyone to get hurt. Not even my husband.
You get any closer, and I'll shoot. I mean it.
What way can I find your boss?
Now it's time to finish this once and for all.
Lord God, forgive me, please.
Now look what you made me do.
I always think about her, but I've got no choice. I have to do it for her. It's the only way.
In fact, you are threatening to kill a family, and I won't let it happen. The police are gonna know what you're doing. Semmi közük hozzád. Inkább ölj meg engem, nem érdekel.
I am willing to accept that offer. My friends, pull out your rifles.
No! Stop, please!
Please stop the car.
I can't. If one of us gets out of the car, the motion sensor device is about to activate, and the car will blow up.
You're crazy. The police are going to arrest us for this.
Just shut up and let me drive, okay?
What are you doing? Why did you stop?
allergic to some flower.